Christoph, Dusty Trails 4x4, SCA, Reapers Challenge. This is day 42 for me. Had a fighter practice yesterday and my shoulder's a little bit sore. The armor kind of sits funny on my AC joint. That's funny. That's fine. Anyway, had somebody call me a medieval, what was that, Kool-Aid man? Because I'm round. Oh well. My only response is, cool. You put on 50 pounds of armor and meet me out in the field and we'll see how happy I make you. Alright, so polypropylene, hands and a half, polypropylene small round, Pelamated tire, here we go. Switch. Not left-handed. Well, it's 100 plus. Thanks for watching. If you like what you see, give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment. If you don't like what you see, let me know why. Yeah. Critiques or comments, let me know. See you next time.